Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the MCNU assignment of 2024 of the first semester students. If you need answers of this PDF on this particular code, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. If you need any other codes and other courses related to help related to any other course, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is shown in our scene below in the right corner, 900-9368238. And please kindly note this number for future uses, and you can share this number to friends also. And the question number 20 is write short notes on the following traveling salesman problem: Vertex Coloring, age coloring, planar graphs, and Pascal's formula. So write short notes on the following. We have to just write on the short notes on the particular 5 topics, and if you need answer, so please message on this WhatsApp number, and we provide all the solution in your WhatsApp within a day. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet you soon on the next video. Thank you.